Before ambigenti esvo in remen kimi. B means the for masculine. Foi means channel. M means of. B means the. Genti esvo means educating or education. N means of. Rem people. N of. Kimi Egypt. In remen kimi it means Egyptian or Coptic. Nofrit means hello. Tiaspin remin kimin, Coptic language. Tit means the for feminine words. Aspi means language. En it means of. Rim means people. En means of. Kimi Egypt. It wasn't past prior to Arab invasion. It used to be Egyptian. Nowadays it's an indication of the Christian minority in Egypt. Today's lesson is about the imperfect. It's a tense which indicates an event in past which has taken some period and it was repetitive. It means that you have made it day after day, month after month, year after year. A usual action used to take place in past. This tense is being used to indicate repetitive actions or usual actions in past tense. It is made of ne is a particle which, when it precedes any tense, it makes it a past, plus sha to indicate the repetition, and is the pronoun following it. Ne sha plus pronoun, and then followed by the verb, and after the verb we add be. And it means here I was used to anok nishai be. Anok means I, and nishai be used to, I used to. Ensok means you. Ensok nishak be, you were used to. Ensok for masculine. Enso means you for feminine. Enso nishare be, you were used to. Ensof he. Ensof nishaf be, he was used to. Ensos means she. Ensos nishas be, she was used to. Anon means we. Anon nishan pe, we were used to. Ensoten nishareten pe, ensoten means you for plural. Nishareten pe, you were used to. Enso they were used to. Enso nishav be. And when we don't use a pronoun and we use a noun like a name of a person, we say Mark, we say Peter, or when we say any noun or a person, a man, a woman, a man means high or Romi, woman is himi, with the noun plus afterwards nishari. An example of it will follow later. We here get a look about the negation of the tense. The negation of the tense is made by ne, which indicates the past, and empa, which indicates the negation, followed by the pronoun. So we say anok means I. Ne empai, I was not used to. Ensok, you. Ne empak, you were not used to. Enso, you for feminine. Ne empare, you were not used to. Ensof means he. Ne empaf, he was not used to. Ensos, she. Ensos ne empas, she was not used to. Anon, ne empan, we were not used to. Anon means we. Ensoten, you for plural. Ne embareten, you were not used to. Ensu, they. Ensu, ne embav, they weren't used to. Or we add the noun of a person or a thing which makes the verb as a subject and followed by ne empare plus the verb. The example we have here from Psalm 63 verse 4. Naimevi erok behijen ba efrish. Nishai irmilitan erok be inninav intihan atowi. When I remember you upon my bed, I will meditate on you in the night watches. The translation of it word by word. Na is an indication of the imperfect tense, the past continuous. It is made by na plus the pronoun followed by the verb followed by be. Nai means I was conjugated with I. Nai, I was. Maybe means to think or to remember. Ero, it means a new. A is a preposition, and when it's compounded by pronoun, it becomes ero. B, the completion of past tense. Hygiene, a preposition, it means over. Pa, possessive, means my. Fridge, bed. Nishai, I was used to. Ni, indication of past. Sha, indication of continuation. And the pronoun I. Nishai. Militan, the verb, it means to meditate. Erok, a preposition, means new. Pe, the completion of past. Here the tense is made by nishai plus the verb plus completion of it, pe. In means in. Ni means the for plural. Nav means about the time of. Ente, it means of. Han atui, it means the dawn, the early time of the morning, and it means night watches. Here we can conjugate it as following. Anok nishai militan be. I was used to meditate. Ensok nishak militan be. You were used to meditate. Enso nishare militan be. You were used to meditate. You for feminine. Ensof nishaf militan be. He was used to meditate. Ensos nishas militan be. She was used to meditate. Anon nishan militan be. We were used to meditate. Ensoten nisharitin militan be. You were used to meditate. Ensou nishav militan be. They were used to meditate. The negation of it made by ne plus impa for negation plus pronoun plus the verb. Ne impan osk in ine. We were not used to be late. Translation word by word. Ne impan, we were not used to. Ask, to be late. In indication of a compliment. In indicates that the following word completes the preceding word. So here the word ine never indicates completes a verb, but it's an adverb, not a complement. Our indicates that the following word completes if it is also a verb or a complement. Ine means never or ever. In the conjugation of it, anok neem by osk, I was not used to be late. Insok neem bak osk, you were not used to be late. Inso neem pare osk, you were not used to be late. Insof neem baf osk, he was not used to be late. Insos neem bas osk, she was not used to be late. Anon neem ban osk, we were not used to be late. Ensoten neem baretin osk, you were not used to be late. Enso neem bav osk, they were not used to be late. You can find today's lecture on the YouTube channel CEC. You can find a downloadable copy of it on archive.org. details Coptic channel, and if you can find also the fonts used in this presentation. You can find also the presentation available on the internet, and you can download the fonts used in it. If you find any difficulty, if it appears as empty squares, you can find is the presentation as a fonts Unicode on archive.org /details /Coptic language. Oshe behmot, who it means a. Shib means to accept. Ehmot, grace, but all together it means thanks. Sha means until. T means I. Nav, see. Erutin, it's a preposition. When it's compound with pronoun, it becomes eru, and the pronouns here is ten. It means we. It means you. Khin it means in, a preposition. Be it means the for masculine words. Osh a lesson. S it means who or which or that. Neo means coming or next. Chatting up erotin khin bi osh neo. It means until seeing you in next lesson.